Installing ToolFox 3 is very easy. It takes less than 5 minutes. This video covers the installation for a Refresh Model X 2023. Start by carefully removing the left rear interior trim panels. After popping off the interior trim panels, you can remove the screws holding the interior trim in place. These are Torx screws. There are several screws holding panels. Be careful to remove all screws before you pull too hard on the trim pieces. Once all the screws holding the upper trim are removed, you can pop it off easy. Next, lift the NVH foam, and you will be able to see the charge port ECU. The plug shown here is the one we need to unplug and plug into our device. We then plug the ToolFox 3 in the charge port ECU. Then we insert the cable into the ToolFox 3. Now that everything is connected again, the installation is complete. You will see a blue light on the ToolFox 3 indicating it's working. Now you can reinstall all the interior trim in the reverse order of removal.